Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will learn how to download official Windows 11 or 10 images. So basically in this tutorial we will be using a utility known as Windows ISO downloader. So you can simply follow the link and download this software. Simply click open when it has been downloaded. And now you can close the unwanted browsers. So as you can see here we have Windows 10, 8.1, Windows 7, August update and Windows 7. Then we have offices also. So if you want to download Windows, you simply click Windows and now go to the Windows 10 tab and now followed by now you have to simply select the edition, and there you have Windows 11 10 Home Edition, Windows 11 Home Pro. So let's say we want to download Windows 11 Home Pro. We simply select it and click continue. Now we simply select the language, English United States, and click continue again. Now this is the 64-bit download version. You can simply click on this link and select save. So since I have Internet Download Manager installed, it will automatically pick up and start downloading. So now you can simply use these Windows ISO files to create your installation media that you can use to boot your system. So here is the guide, and I will share this link in the description below.